Hi, Namaste. Thank you so much indeed for watching me again. My name is Amit and I am digital marketing trainer for hotel, resort and restaurant. Well, I have posted many videos and this video is especially for all those who always contact me on WhatsApp and ask me ki sir, tell little brief about your services, what you are offering. So this video is totally all about what services we provide and what are the benefits you will get. Okay, first of all, let me tell you that my services are not commercial services. So my services are completely complimentary and free for all. I don't charge for consulting hotel marketing. You can contact me for creating strategy like your online marketing strategy, like what you want from online marketing, digital marketing, what you want from that. There has to be some goal and there has to be some results you expect from digital marketing, of course, and the results are business. Business, correct? So you can contact me with your goals. What is your goals? How much room nights you want to increase with internet, with digital marketing? I'm going to give you a strategy and training. That's it. If you want me to be your mentor, then I'm going to charge you a fees. So I will be with you for 1 year. So all your revenue goals, I'm with you and I will be telling you what to do. Overall, I will be your consultant for digital marketing and trainer, because I strongly believe and I have seen results come with if you use multiple hands and multiple mind strategy for hotels. I have seen many hotels wasted a lot of money on internet. They have reached to this conclusion: internet marketing is not result oriented. But I have come out with a conclusion that of course, if digital marketing is not being done with any goals or anything to achieve, definitely you are doing charity to the digital marketing companies. So if you are a hotel owner, hotel general manager, or anyone who belong to hotel industry, you want business from internet, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number you will find down. You can contact me, but don't call me please. I very less receive the phone calls, because trust me, every day almost I am getting 75 to 85 phone calls from last 2 months. It was so difficult to receive the phone call and talk 5-10 minutes to everyone. It's so difficult. And all those peoples who called me, they just tell the problems. They don't have any roadmap what they want to achieve. So that's all this video all about. See. So my phone call, because my mobile phone I put on a silent, and my landline number people call me. So anyway, this video is all about if you are finding problem in your hotel related to digital marketing, you want to rank your website on top pages, you want to increase more online bookings, and you believe in my strategy, and my strategy is training and teaching your employees multiple hands and multiple minds, then you can contact me. I will be your consultant and advisor and trainer for your employees, and I will be with you for 1 year for your property. I will be training your employees, giving them task and ensuring your commitment to the management regarding revenues, business, that will be fulfilled with multiple hands, multiple mind strategy. So that's what is my services. We also do digital marketing services for all those who think their employees cannot perform digital marketing. Digital marketing is not their cup of tea. We do marketing also, but we are very expensive, very expensive. I'm very cheap price. My services are very cheap price if you learn from me and do it from your own. I want to create peoples across the world, hotel general managers, hotel owners who are confident to do anything on internet. They can able to broadcast anything on internet. And my digital marketing is all about ranking your content, your information on the first page on the Google and YouTube. Like for an example, if you are posting any video on YouTube and Google, and if doesn't come on the first page, it has no meaning. If your website doesn't rank on first page on the Google, it has no meaning, because when you come on the organically first page on the Google or YouTube, audience contact you. Otherwise, you are contacting to your audience, and you never know who are your target audience. Are they really buyers, or just you are wasting your time and energy on the peoples who doesn't have any opportunity to give you the business? I'm sure this 6-minute video make you understood what services I do. Normally, if you find my grammatical mistake, please bear with me, because I always eat grammar. My English is not so good, and but my work is very good. Namaste. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening, good afternoon, and good evening. My phone number is down. If you want to consult about your hotel marketing strategy, you can talk to me. I can provide you free of cost. I can study your project, and I can give you an idea how you can increase your hotel revenues using internet. What are the strategies you should follow? What are the work on daily basis you should do it? Or if you want me to train your employees and I become your consultant with a commitment that I will be whatever we promise on the piece of paper, I'll get it done. 100% you will get success. Multiple hand, multiple mind. Thank you. Namaste. Bye bye. Take care.